Okay, so we got the Petzl Micro Swivel here. We're going to install this beauty onto this Asap Sorber. Alright, using the tri-act binner as well. Okay, let's start it. So first we have to use this one, put it here. The good thing for the micro swivel, it has a rubber inside that grips the binner itself to avoid unnecessary movement. So it just stays there, which is a good thing for this swivel. So the binner just actually stay there, you see. We use this Allen key to open this part here. See that? Open that. Make sure you don't lost that piece there. Put it aside first, and then using the Asap Sorber. So this will be your for harness. So harness goes this way here, and that side is the Asap. There. So this side goes here using the rubber keeper. We use that, put it here. And then we grab the swivel along into that, chuck them there. There you go. So that piece here, the rubber, keeps the lanyard from moving. So it's just somehow stays there, and we're putting back the cover there, and the axle bolt. There. That's it, just make sure it is tight. There you have it. That's it. Okay, so that's your setup actually. Alright, so there you can see, and then this side it's the Asap. That's it. Alright, so that's your Petzl Micro Swivel with a tri-act connected to that system. It's very good. Right guys, thank you.